Hey, it's Miss Deb. I'm here to help you grow your little musician. And look what I have today. Amazon delivered me a package. Let's see. What could be inside? I think I picked the worst scissors. Okay, forget the scissors. Let's just rip it open. Chugga, chugga. Oh, so pretty. Chugga Chugga Woo Woo, created by Deborah Kroll, pictures by Corinne Orizietti. Our page of instructions to help guide your reading experience with your little one. Oh yeah! Chugga chugga woo woo, chugga chugga woo woo, chugga chugga woo woo. Can't see where I'm pointing. Oh, it looks amazing! I am so happy with how this turned out. You are gonna love this book. All about the musical alphabet. And, yeah, it even goes backwards. T, F. Oh, yeah. I'm listening to a different recorded version. This one doesn't have that verse in there. Oh, look! It's Mr. Feeney! Mr. Feeney. Feeney means the end, so of course, Mr. Feeney is on the caboose. Oh, love it, love it! And then of course there's this page where you can follow along with the song as it's singing, and you can even play it with the two black keys. Chugga chugga woo woo, chugga chugga woo woo, chugga chugga. A train game. You're gonna love playing this train game. You're gonna want to laminate all the pages with the activity cards to play with the game. And there's also some other ways to play the game without the game board. All the instructions are on this page. So much fun. A story to read, songs to sing and play together, and games and activities to learn together. Sing your own song, Chugga Chugga Woo Woo, in stores, Amazon, anywhere online books are sold. This makes the third book in our collection, Tiny Tinkles Town, Yummy in My Tummy, and Chugga Chugga Woo Woo. You can read these books in any order you like. It doesn't matter if you have one of them or if you have all of them. You can enjoy them on their own or as a series. This one, Tiny Tinkles Town, introduces all of the characters. This one gives you a funny little song that all of the music friends like to sing in their own kind of way, because they all like to eat their animals. And you can even change what they're eating to make it really super fun. Yummy in my tummy. Well, let's see. What does Gordy Goat like to eat? Gummy worms and granola. I think I like gummy worms too. And then, of course, Chugga Chugga Woo Woo. And later on this month, you're going to see 2 activity books. They're almost finished up to go along with Tiny Tinkles Town and Yummy in My Tummy. And probably see a bilingual version of Tiny Tinkles Town in Spanish/English. Yeah, I am just so excited. Thank you for being a part of my journey and for supporting me. Make sure you like this video and head on over to Amazon.